My name is Anna Meyer and I'm a service sales account manager. My goal is to be viewed as a building consultant to help customers focus on their building performance, whether it be selecting more efficient HVAC equipment for their building, helping them cut down on operational costs and energy consumption, or even looking at transitioning and asset planning for their equipment to transition to lower GWP refrigerants. The sustainability commitment that I connect with the most is leading by example. At Trane Technologies, we have the opportunity to be a leader in our industry. I would also say that leading by example really means acting professionally and ethically within the industry and doing what's right for our customers. I love working with different people. I've always had a passion for people and learning their different stories within different vertical markets such as manufacturing, healthcare, hospital systems. What it means to me to work at Trane Technologies is to have a supportive environment where I can grow my career, grow my business portfolio, grow my knowledge, and also have an impact on making a more sustainable world. At Trane Technologies, every role is an opportunity for impact.